Hey, it's Ben. I have this Goosh LED 6-foot tall Thanksgiving inflatable. Let's take it out. There we have the setup instructions, the inflatable, which is in a storage bag, and paracord and stakes for securing it to the ground. When you're inflating, you want to make sure that the zipper at the bottom is closed up because this will let air out while it's inflating and will not fully inflate. There is like a kind of sandbag inside, so that helps gives weight to the base, keeps it secure. This is a really cute inflatable. It has the turkey sitting on top of a pumpkin with a little turkey down at the bottom. They're both wearing pilgrim's hats with a sign that says Happy Thanksgiving. This is what we'll see at night when your turkey is inflated in front of your house. It's really brightly lit. All parts of it can be seen really well in the dark. This would be a definitely great addition to your Thanksgiving outdoor decor. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.